Hello. In this video we will be looking for measure of the missing side of a triangle using trig. In the given triangle ABC, we know that angle A is equal to 35 degrees, side B is equal to 140 centimeters, and side A has a question mark, which means we will have to calculate it. Since we are only given the measure of one side in this triangle, we cannot use Pythagorean theorem. However, we can solve this problem using trig because trigonometric function of an angle is equal to ratio of two sides. So let's say side 1 to side 2, does not matter. So if we are given two out of these three values, we can solve for the unknown side or an angle. Let's sort the information we are given from this triangle before we decide which trigonometric function to use. We have an angle, so let's say angle theta is equal to 35 degrees. We have side B. Side B is the adjacent side to our angle, and we are looking for the opposite side A. The trigonometric function that is using the ratio of adjacent side and opposite side is tangent or cotangent. However, tangent is better programmed on most of the calculators. So I'm going to use tangent of an angle is equal to ratio of opposite side to adjacent to solve our triangle. So let's substitute the given information into tangent function and solve for the unknown. We are given tangent of 35 degrees is equal to the ratio of the opposite side. We don't know what the opposite side measures, so we're going to leave A as is, divided by the measure of the adjacent side, and we know that B measures 140 centimeters. Once we have the setup, we just have one unknown and we need to solve for A. A is being divided by 140 centimeters. The opposite would be to multiply by 140 centimeters. Whatever we do to one side of the equation, we need to do the same thing to the other side. So we have 140 centimeters. 140 and 140 will cancel. Centimeters and centimeters will cancel. So we have A on the right equals to tangent of 35 degrees times 140 centimeters. To calculate measure of A, make sure your calculator is in the degree mode, because if it's in radians, you will get a different value. In your calculator, plug in tangent of 35. Make sure you close this parenthesis times 140, and my calculator produced about 98.0290. So if we round this off to the nearest whole number, we get A is equal to 98 centimeters, and that would be our solution. That's all.